Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I received a package from Kiara Sky and there's a lot going on in this box. So for starters, I received a dusting brush, a number 10 Kolinsky brush, a wax pencil for my Swarovskis, nail liquid, also received some gel adhesive for my bling. I also received 5 different varieties of bling, and I was super excited about these because they came with different sizes. I know when I order from different companies, they don't offer different sizes. You'll have to buy them separately. So I was actually excited that they came with different sizes. And then I received 4 other colors. They were so beautiful. I was in love with them. And one is in Bejeweled, the other one is in Sugar Rush, Whiskey Business, and Hidden Gem. Alright, so I also received 4 solid colors. Well, actually 3. One was in clear, the other one was in a soft white, and then one in nude, and then the other in pink. And then last but not least, I received 4 different loose glitters. I actually didn't use them as loose glitters. I ended up turning them into acrylic. So throughout this video, you guys will see how I did that. Alright, so to start off, I ended up labeling these display tips, and I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky monomer, and I'm also going to go in with my number 10 Kolinsky brush, and I'm actually going to show you guys how I pinch my brush, but I wouldn't recommend you pinching your brush if you're a beginner and you've never pinched a brush before. So just to give you guys a quick advice, I don't know if some of you guys may know, but if you do purchase a Kolinsky brush at your local nail supply store, they will pinch it for you. So you want to make sure you ask them, because they won't pinch it for you automatically. Some will ask, but some won't. So just to be safe, you want to ask them to pinch your brush for you. So now I'm just going to dip my brush into some liquid and just pretty much find my shape on the brush. So I'm just playing with it and just, you know, forming it. And then I also added 100% alcohol on there as well, so that way it can soften up a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with my pliers. I believe they're pliers. If they're not pliers, please correct me if I'm wrong. But pretty much I'm just, again, forming it, and I'm going to use the base of my pliers, pretty much the larger part of your pliers, and then I'm going to gently just press down on that metal base. And you don't want to apply too much pressure because you will mess up your brush, but I would not recommend you doing this because honestly I messed up a few brushes trying this. So just to be safe, get them to pinch it at your local nail supply store. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys how I use my loose glitter. So I'm just going to get my brush wet, and then I'm going to go in with a medium amount of clear acrylic. I ended up not using that much, so you want to make sure you're using, you know, a pretty decent amount. And then I'm going to dip that clear acrylic into my glitter. I usually have a lot of loose glitter just laying around, and I never use them as loose glitter. I always turn them into acrylic, and I prefer them better that way. So that's pretty much how you would apply your loose glitter if you wanted to use it as acrylic. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys how awesome this wax pencil is. Literally just one touch and it's on the pencil. I've used multiple wax pencils actually, and they never picked up this well, so I was excited about that. And look, literally just one touch and it's on there. And this is what they're looking like. They are so beautiful. I'm in love with them, and they're actually in order from the previous clip, just so you guys aren't confused. But that is it for this video. I do have a coupon code for you guys to use if you guys want to purchase from there. It is D10, and I'll be sure to leave it down in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.